Racing Industries manufactures its catalytic converters in-house to ensure precision, quality, and performance. Starting with a blank sheet of steel, the converter body is formed and cut on one of several of our stamping presses using a die precise to each body and inlet-outlet size. The body is then stuffed with a ceramic substrate coated in precious metals that is wrapped in high-temperature automotive insulation. Once the wrapped substrate is in place, the second half of the body is placed on top to cover the substrate, and the converter is sent to be seam welded shut. Seam welding is a process that uses electricity and water to fuse the two halves of the converter together, creating an airtight seal along the edges of the converter. Now that the converter body is welded shut, the end pipes can be installed. All of our end pipes are cut to exact length on a fully automated CNC cold saw and expanded from outer diameter to inner diameter measurements on our automated CNC expander. Each converter body is stamped so that only the proper size end pipe will fit into the opening, while a formed ring on the inside of the opening ensures that the end pipe is inserted to the same depth every time. The end pipes are fully welded to the body using a 360-degree rotary welding machine. Once the end pipes have been welded to the body, a heat shield is attached using a spot welder, and the converter is sent for final inspection before being packaged.